Hey guys, it's Dan here with VidderTech, and today I'm going to be giving you a brand new unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 3 Combo. This is a smartphone gimbal. I don't know much about it, but really excited to try it out. This is a combo, so it's going to include the carrying case as well as a tripod, which doesn't normally come with it. So really excited to dive into this and see what's in the box. Okay, so it's a very minimal package, just like most Apple products as well. This is the DJI brand. You can see here it comes with the Osmo Mobile 3, the carrying case, tripod, power cable, storage pouch, and a wrist strap as well. Links for Google Play and the App Store. On this side, you see another graphic. It seems like it has a smart button here where you're going to be able to have presets to some quick actions, record, as well as the power button and the charger as well. All right, so let's get into this. All right, here's what looks like the carrying case. And here's likely all of our documentation, so here we go. It seems like that's just gonna fold right open. Here we have all of the sort of quick start guide kind of equivalents. Disclaimer and safety. Here we have our power cord, and that's USB-C. We do have some sort of padding here. It says, if required, use the anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone in the phone holder. So this is the tripod. Just like so. Here we have the wrist strap. Here we have that pouch, branded for Osmo. And here we have the actual gimbal itself. There we are. It has a really nice finish to it as well. Everything's really nicely branded with the Osmo, the DJI brand. Got a little strap here as well. A pouch here if there's anything we wanted to include. Let's just dive into this. And here it is. It's got a bit of weight to it, which makes sense. It is motorized, of course. On the top, we have the QR code for the app and instructions on how to use it. Showing you to just do that, and there we go. Shows you the phone camera direction that you're going to want to go in. Here we have what I'm assuming is a zoom feature. And we've got a bit of a D-pad here. I thought it was a button, but it looks like it's actually a D-pad. It spins a little bit. It moves in all directions as well. And then we've got the record or the shutter button and the power button as well. Here we have that plug for USB-C. And it looks like we have another plug here for USB. Yeah, just a standard USB. And then just the carrying case with all kinds of padding in it. Okay, so it's a really interesting device. There's a lot of different lines and markers here for you to line up if you are going to close it again. It seems like once you get it open, it is really hard to remember how to get it back to its original form, but there are a bunch of markers here. So you're gonna see at the top here, there's a bit of a nudge there, and then here as well. You'll see at the top, there's 2 lines there that meet. So once you line all of those up, then essentially you should just be able to lock it up and close it into place, and then it'll just lock into place. And then you just pull it open and it pops right back out again. All right, so that's everything for this unboxing. Really excited to share my results on this thing with you guys once I've started using it. Really excited for that. Let me know in the comments if there's anything specific that you want to see on this model. And as always, remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button to see more from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.